At 220 years old, after surviving through 2 wars, 413 hurricanes, and demolition plans to be replaced by a housing development, this house in North Carolina refuses to die.
The Shaw Halfway House is the oldest standing home in Harnett County, and at this point, it may eventually be the last standing one too.
It was originally built as a tavern in 1798, just 22 years after the Declaration of Independence was signed, by a Revolutionary War soldier named Daniel Shaw, who named it the Shaw Halfway House because it was located exactly halfway between Raleigh and Fayetteville, North Carolina. The house became a famous stage stop for people traveling by horse and carriage between the two cities.
The house was later used as a hospital to treat Confederate soldiers after the Battle of Avery in 1865.
You can still see etchings on the wall from soldiers who were treated here, who must have somehow known that the house would outlast them all.
Or they just had nothing else to do all day.
Many have died here, but the house itself lives on. 2 years ago, the house was at risk of being demolished by the landowners who wanted to parcel off the farmland and sell it to developers. That is, until historian Bryan Avery led a group of volunteer activists on a mission to save the Shaw Halfway House. They raised $135,000 and bought the parcel of land, which included both the Shaw Halfway House and the Turlington family home, which they've since renovated into a historical museum. Their plans are to use this land and buildings to create a Harnett County History Center and preserve the history of the area for generations to come.
Okay, we just got some financial grants from the state of North Carolina and also from the county commissioners here in Harnett County. Finished it up so that we could purchase this and turn it into the Harnett History Center.
From U.S. wars to natural disasters, and soon to be zombie apocalypses and alien attacks, this house refuses to die.